Welcome to Peter the Great's house. Great day, great house. Let's have a great workout. Let's get started right away. Gentle. Sink down and twist. Let's warm the back up. Boost our mood and energy. And move with awe. Get as low as you can, whatever feels good. Feel the flow of your arms. We're sinking down, building strength in our legs. And back with the arms. Really wake up our shoulders, mobility in the upper back. Breathe through each movement. We show up every day here, daily physical activity, so that we can live to 110, healthy, get out and enjoy beautiful things. Be pain-free, disease-free. Oh, yeah. Nobody gets to the end of their life, oh, I wish I had a head, six-pack abs. No, 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 no. Arms overhead, circle them up, and if you can bring the hands under the leg, great. This could look like this for you. It can look so many ways. You're here, you're moving, that's what matters. Feel free to move around your space if you have some. Head up, by all means. You want to get a little skip in there? Oh, right there. See, you cannot skip and be in a bad mood. Begin to lean back just a bit. Feel that in the lower back. We're building balance here. Ooh, engage the core. How far can you go? Yes. Oh, okay. Really shake it out. Feel it in the fingertips. Circulation, energy being built right here, right now. One foot pointed forward. Prayer. Circle the arms and lean forward. We're bending our back backwards. Now let's go forward. Feeling the shoulders, lower back. The strength you're building in your legs. Oh, glory, hallelujah. Let's switch legs now. You got this. Stick with me. You can sink a little deeper on this side. Maybe not as much. Just be curious. We can come up onto the heel of our foot here and lean back a bit if we like. Remember to breathe. And last one. Oh, hallelujah. Strong legs. Just come down. Let's twist at the top. You squat as low as you can. Real gentle, mindful movement here. Head up. Real good athletic stance, feeling strong and stable. One more. Can you just hold it for a moment? Just be. Just be for just a moment. You got this. You got this. Feel it. Little trembling is good. You are strong. You are strong. And twist. Step to the side and open up the chest. Shoulder blades come together. This movement is always accessible. Get up from your chair, your desk when you're working. Chest up high. Come up on to the ball of your foot. Build balance and mobility. Strength, you can feel it in your shoulders. You are strong. Head up. Last one. Oh, happy days. Sink down a bit. Bring the hands up to the side. We're going to slow things down just for a moment until we speed them up again. Are you ready? Let's do a little lateral movement. Here we go. Maybe if you have no space, just this. Let's just get the heart rate up a little bit. This is lovely. But if you have a bit of space, let's just move to the side. Mobility in the hips. We're using muscles that we wouldn't normally use. We're always walking forward. And I'm going to touch. Where are you at? Can you get all the way to the ground? Amazing. Knee, shin, hip, it's all good. We're moving. That's what matters. So you could be here. Just wherever you're at. A couple more. It feels good to move. Wide stance. Here we go. Lunge from side to side and twist. Go as low as you can. Building flexibility. Sway the arms. Just be real present. Feel as the legs get a little tired. Maybe it starts to be a bit painful. Put your attention on your arms. Hey, they feel real nice. We can always direct our attention to what we want. The negative's always available, but so is the positive. Now, side to side, and reach it a bit. and just a little bit of pace. Turn the head. Breathe, yes. And we have done it again. Shake it all out. Oh, hallelujah. Whew. Let's just listen. Maybe close your eyes. Standing in mountain posture. Just listen to the water. Every time your mind wanders, just bring it back to the sound of the water. Mind wanders off. Oh, there goes the mind. What it does, it's a thought-making machine. Just bring your attention back to the sounds of the fountain. I feel amazing. I hope you do too. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.